Shoot ukulalela mfoni ex-yo ngoba wakhona manje sokubamba sekuye kuzokhona. Doing the most, already know ulifeni ngiyashisa. Me and my squad siyinkinga phela sibambe ngcono nesile manje nilalela ningoThomas kolwa ngobona dala unembeza waphela manje ngishaya ikhanda kuphela ngoba vele nas for scale enough for gold kusitshalini empty nokutshela ibhari yekela yes I'm nasty now I see nigga while you busy talking doing the most. Dola bafana sinjela kuthi singcwempu nani nabona sala kutshelwa sibona ngomopo manje ngikhuluma ngizonibamba ngestrop ngizonibamba ngestrop ngizonibamba ngestrop. Dola bafana sinjela kuthi singcwempu nani nabona sala kutshelwa sibona ngomopo manje ngikhuluma ngizonibamba ngestrop ngizonibamba ngestrop Zunbamba ngestrap. Sala kutshelwa sibona ngomo. Sala kutshelwa sibona ngomo. Sala kutshelwa sibona ngomo. Sala kutshelwa sibona ngomo.
Bapilab, let's open the window, I just wanna see them. I'm going high, I just gotta do this until I go heaven. Don't try to fuck with me cause I'm Islam. I am the shit, Buza Nezak, we are the shit. Mina Nezam, Seba Kataz, yeah. You hate me cause I'm always looking deep. You know I does it better than the fan flap. With the pen and the paper, that's the only time you see me breaking rappers. On the mic I'm always going fast. And then my niggas freshen up, I just relax. I wanna make them man until they tell me ready. Now you affluent, man just cool limits. My mama and shampoo Jalo must think about Mumo Springbok Ibo, Izo. Now I'm sitting on my throne on top. I'm trying to make sure that my niggas never fall. And I don't need the blacks to become a boss. I told them before that I'm going abroad. Just in case you didn't know, I can take a bullet for my family and my dogs. I see the rap game is slowly fading, but me and my niggas we tryna maintain it. All of these niggas is catching their feelings.
Yeah. All the fake niggas on my way. I'm getting better and better. Labos naiba ngidlela umona ngeke ntwana vele uphande mom. I be pushing my crescendo, streaming live in the street bros. As you know I'm a real boss. Hello praising with the she boss. Ngeke ntwana vele ugive up. Still one ngiyazwa vele bathi go digger. Ngeke vele ngiyazi go getter. All my squad are getting up. Double couple to my niggas. Feel the red as you know. I am back with the mo.
Dola bafana sinjela kuthi singcwempu nani nabona sala kutshelwa sibona ngomopo manje ngikhuluma ngizonibamba ngestrop ngizonibamba ngestrop ngizonibamba ngestrop. Dola bafana sinjela kuthi singcwempu nani nabona sala kutshelwa sibona ngomopo manje ngikhuluma ngizonibamba ngestrop ngizonibamba ngestrop.
Wasikhathela iminyango maningi nasikoko kuzothi qhuka iketango lezinja ziyakho siyanibhoboza ntwana nisinhasi lokho angibhese ngibasala amalanga abamangala amagwala lenambi yaqomo follow trends ngasala ngivalele ngingedwa in my room manje ndlela ibaphelele ba-ex-friendly elin my plans into selisenkulu I feel no pressure njalo mangilenda ukhona awe ukuthi ngiyarapha kule nsuku still ngayivalela ngifuna uzongitakelwa ngiyangena kule stage I ain't getting no booze solid and true soon uzongibona in the news before ngizonibona ngangisusa you know I'm rude make paper my rating ngangifuni i-experience angeke ngangihlule sampraise njengala nakubo ngoshela uyakusenza kakhulu tell me the truth kekho uzocracker le program yami mente ngizoyiletha neheko sayithamba ngayihlula mophika thula ni blind ngoba ngangiboni mina and blind nana ngayiboni inkinga MG all MCs bafuna ufana nami bekangiboni ngephi honestly soze ngifike umhlaba wami sekhandela I'm not crazy ngiloke ngizile no ways ngini ngidabula amathafa ngizama ngihlome doors get kicked ngistophe le baselulaka lami into engangikhombe kucisha fangelisa kangcola ngingaze ngikhokhe ngisqueeze ngifasele impama ukhala ekhaba udongo ulikhisi phantela intwana zami yami grown man yeah fakela inkakha zami ezathi comment kids amela ukuhlanya kwami ukhanya kuyoze kufike ngidalela ukushana ngizalaze golden kid amela ukubhala kwami there's a lot I give ngisiqwalela into abayami ngizengithopha ngi
Are you popping with the little kid? Now I'm flexing with the millikin. Niggas diving with the big shot. Pick a nigga that is better than me. You find I'm the problem to take it some cover. Without it predictable, I am invincible. Yes, I'm convincible, you're not available. Me and my squad, if we gang on it. Vest the drop the fade evaluate. I'm scaling nigga, fit the hell of weed. I got some nigga, baby, I'm a bag. All you need is bag. I got a lot of extras to the past. I put my swagger in my own style. Now I'm second with my dog too. A veteran rapper, that's a derby game. I'm familiar now, mind the business. I drop in bars like I'm coming fast. I got it saucy like I put on my set. I got no mace, you know what Leo miss. Let's get on game, you know they chewing gum. Let's shoot the gun. I'll pick up women, now you're gonna get balls. And I was 17 and I want them little move. Valem yango vele kusho ne strobo. Now I want no sazo, one and go more.